Alright, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to our channel. And another day, another video. So this is gonna be our third video of the channel for Halloween. I hope you guys enjoyed Wesley's Peter Pan look. It was pretty lit, it was pretty scary. He got the whole hook in his face. If you didn't see it, you gotta go backtrack and check out that video. Well, I'm not gonna be using anything different as far as skin. Oh wait, but I am gonna be doing Ariel the Little Mermaid, but a boy version without the long hair. Well, so I'm gonna start off by hydrating my skin, and today I'm going to be using Honest Beauty HydroGel Cream with 2 types of hyaluronic acid. Wes and I actually had the opportunity to go to Jessica Alba's launch party for Honest Beauty, and she is so kind and she is so sweet, and we had a blast with her and we had some good conversations. A little bit, I'm gonna gently massage this into the skin, and you know, Wes always clocks me for being so rough on my skin, so you really gotta be nice and soft for your little baby skin because she is delicate. Moisturizer is on, and so I was thinking, because Ariel the Mermaid, she a wet bitch, you know, excuse my language, she a wet hoe, so I definitely want to put like a luminizing primer on, and so today I'm going to be using VDL Luminine. So today I'm going to be using Lumilayer Primer Fresh. Okay honey, Primer Fresh. She's cute, this is the packaging. I'm honestly going to say, the shit's pretty lit. So that's what it looks like. And let's massage her in. That's no highlight, baby. That's all prime. Actually, just gonna jump in and use Dose of Color again because this match right now is on point, and it's just, honestly, it's a badass foundation. We're gonna give it a couple of squirts. 1, 2, 3. And of course, you guys, this sponge right here, I ain't even joking. This Dose of Color sponge right here, that shit's lit, y'all. My sister's calling. Say hi, Ariel. To the channel.
Oh my gosh, no, stop.
No, you look so cute. Just say hi. Aw, that's my sister, guys. She cute. And she's actually the reason why I am doing Ariel, because her name's Ariel, so.
And I asked you to.
And she asked me to. Alright, so foundation is set. Foundation is key. I did 3 pumps. I think you only need 2. I had a lot of extra. And we're healthy, and we're glowing, and we even got the same skin tone. Oh! I love it! Alright, I'm gonna use Dose of Color Concealer. Alright, both under eyes are concealed. And don't feel Elsa and Anna. I'm using HUDA Beauty TanTour in the shade Light. So Ariel the Mermaid is obviously under the water, under the sea, and so forth. Okay, but I envision like being real wet, real dewy, girl. Now that I still have like my creams on, I'm gonna go ahead and add this incredible Glow Girl. Oh shit, Glow Girl, and it's this really pretty iridescent pink purple shade. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm just gonna dip my finger in this. Look how cute that is, though. Oh, it's kind of, look at that. I mean, you can't really tell, but you know. We're gonna go ahead and apply the highlight over the higher cheekbone. So the color is not really popping on camera, but in person, I definitely see that hue. I mean, you can definitely see like that highlight. In person, I see very blues and purples and pink hues, and it's just like that arrow doesn't. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get Jeffree Star's Liquid Frost in the shade Ice Queen, because bitch, you all know we a queen. This is what it looks like. They are bomb.com, honey. And what I love about it is just, it's a good pump, hun. So we do have the highlight in place, so now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna set the face. Laura Mercier. So it says translucent, so I hope it's translucent, even though it looks like it has some color. I'm gonna go ahead and get a fluffy brush and kind of just stamp it on. Okay, so if you guys have not tried this Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, when it says glow girl, it says glow. Okay. Alright, so I finished doing my brows. I'm not gonna do a very strong brow. I'm gonna do more of a light, natural brow. Because Ariel's a youthful bitch. She's like 16 or 15 or 14, and she just wants to be part of this world. Damn it. I know Ariel the Mermaid has no makeup on her eyes, but I think I'm gonna add a little makeup today. I am gonna be using Manny MUA new palette, Moon Spell. It is sickening, guys. Look at this. It's literally like a book. Oh, I didn't even see that in the back. The hand spells. So this is the palette. It's cute. There's the front. There's the shade. I'm gonna be using this brown shade and this purple shade. Light, not too much, but just enough. Okay, so now that the eyes are set, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna jump into the eyeshadow. So for the crease, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to use this shade right here, which is called Page. Oh, she has pigment. I think that should be the extent of the eyeshadow that I do. I'm gonna go ahead and dip into this color Pro. I'm gonna go ahead and blend those edges real quick. And then for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go ahead and use this brown. And that shade name, by the way, is Kiki. Kiki, do you love me? So now that the eyes are complete, I think I'm gonna do a little blush. Alright guys, so for blush, I'm gonna be using Nars Orgasm. Before we go and move on to everything else, I'm gonna go ahead and draw on a lash. Not just any lash, boo-boo, but a magnetic lash and magnetic liner. I know, you're thinking. So the name of the company is Moxie Lash, and this is gonna be their magnetic liner. And you guys can definitely use code MAT for some money off, because you know, we all like that money off. We all like to save a coin. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and let it dry. Just gonna let it dry. So this is what the lash looks like. Moxie, this one's called Money Honey. And you guys, they literally are the coolest thing ever. Look at that little magnet. And so they literally just pop on because of that magnetic eyeliner. These guys are the OG. We're gonna go ahead and jump in and do mascara before we add lashes. So for the liner, I'm going to be using Chanel. And this liner is called Le Volume de Chanel. I ain't gonna lie, Chanel, this ain't the best mascara I've used. So now that I do have some mascara on, I'm gonna go ahead and throw this baby on. Literally, when I say throw it on. And this is Money Queen. Do you see that? It's literally magnetic. Like, honey, if I just want to pop it off real quick, I can. You want to see? Because I'll do it. And she will just... Do you see that? That was pretty good. That shit just went on. So for my bottom lashes for mascara, my all-time favorite is going to be Clout. More Money Honey from Hank & Henry. And you guys can use code MAT on Hank & Henry, any of their stuff, for a discount. And look how small this wand is. Let me tell you, it just gets the bottom ones, look. I did get a little bit of mascara in my bottom lid, but when that does happen, if you don't know, the best solution is to just not touch it, let it dry down, and when it's dry, go ahead and get a spoolie and go ahead and just go scratch it off. So now we're going to be moving on, and we're going to be dyeing, well, not dyeing, but painting my hair with the SFX creme color from NYX. So for this, we're going to be using a foundation brush, and we're just going to go ahead and tap into the pan since it is cream. Alright, well, here we go. Oh, shit. I've never seen myself with red hair. There are definitely easier ways to do this, to paint your hair a different color. I just didn't go to the store and buy red hair spray can colored stuff. So we're going to move on to the next step, and for this next step I'm going to use some seashells. Seashells. I picked these up at Joann's Fabric. And how I'm going to do this is I'm going to kind of like just go with it and kind of glue them down, but use latex again. But I'm going to put them in different places. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and latex. And remember guys, do not get the latex in your hair. So you're going to press it and hold it and just wait till it dries. Alright guys, so I went ahead and finished my lips, and for my lip I went ahead and used Colourpop's collab with, her name is Safiya Nygaard, and it's like a Halloween collection, super cute, and the shade name is Fred. And that's a wrap. I hope you guys enjoyed the look, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, give it a thumbs up if you guys do like it. Leave some comments below, subscribe to us, follow us on Instagram and so forth, and stay tuned for more holiday looks. Oh girl, not holiday, I mean Halloween looks. So, stay tuned for some holiday. Oh my god, there I go again. Stay tuned for some Halloween looks! And you can catch me in the ocean with Trident. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and everything else. Stay sea snatched, honey.